Fans, friends, and family. My fault. Turn the air compressor off. Give y'all another update. Got the carburetor taken off the X1. I'm trying to show y'all this screen here. How bad it is. It's clogged up. Supposed to be able to see through it. See that it's all clogged up and caked. I had put it together, tried to start it up. She wouldn't fire up. Fired up on starter fluid, but that screen is clogged up. Just give y'all a heads up. A lot of times the problem why your bike won't start or run. That screen goes inside of there. You can tell, you can see a lot of junk that's still in there that got to be cleaned out. There's a tip and a help out for you guys. Murray Mini Motors, baby. Get that part cleaned out. Don't lose that screen. Clean that screen out also. So stay tuned, baby. Fans, friends, and family. We bring dead bikes back to life, y'all. Hashtag bike life. Murray Mini Motors, baby. Comment, subscribe down below. Notification bell. Let everybody else know. Peace.